In this video, you are going to learn how you can create an AI personal voice assistant, whether you are a student or a busy business owner or you are a working professional. From this video, you will have a very great knowledge of how you can create an AI personal voice assistant, whether you are selling it to others or you want to use it for your personal life or your business life. You can create it very perfectly. And this is a very basic one, and it can be scaled to more complexity. So after watching this video, you will have a very good idea of how you can create and add more functionality to it. So now first, let's get onto the demo of it. Now we are on the screen and let's do the demo. Now I will use Telegram bot for this in order for this agent to work. I would like you to send a reminder email to Krishn that he should create the YouTube video at 8 p.m. sharp today. As you can see, it has successfully sent the email. Let's check. And as you can see, it has sent me the email. Now I'm showing you that it works. You can tweak it around, you can make it more complex, but it works. Now this was the email agent. Now you can send the email to it. Now calendar. Next, do it the research agent. So what is the height of Mount Everest? Okay. So as you can see, it has given us the option, the answer. Now let's do the research agent. So what is the current weather in Bhopal right now? As you can see, it has returned the Bhopal's weather. Now let's do the calendar agent. Create an event in Krishn and Ayush calendar that they should record the video at 5 p.m. Now as you can see, it has successfully created the event. And now let's see here. As you can see, the event has been created for 5 p.m. Also, you can get the details of the event you have in your calendar. So let's do that. Get the details of my calendar for today and tomorrow. As you can see that there are the details of the events. Now also what you can do is you can check the availability. So let's check it. Can you check the availability of my calendar for today? As you can see, it is busy, and yes, the calendar is busy. And yeah, so, and also you can delete the events if you want to replace it or add more. So let's do that also. Delete the event of Krishn's calendar that the recording of the video is not anymore important. let's see. So as you can see, the event has been deleted from here. Now, this was the demo of the AI agent, and as you can see, we were just chatting with it through our voice, and it was doing all the tasks through this automation workflow. Now, how you can create it? So let's move on to how you can build it. So before going into the build, if you are new to this video, hey, my name is Krishn, founder of Chrono AI, India's leading AI automation agency, in which we help business owners get rid of repetitive tasks, get more leads, book more appointments, and scale effortlessly with AI voice systems. So if you are someone who is looking for these kind of AI voice systems and AI automation systems for their business as well, do go down into the description onto our website and book a call with us. Over the past 1 year, we have worked with several different business owners with different niches. So if you are like somebody like them, do book a call with us. Now let's get back onto the build. Now that you have seen the demo of it, let's know how you can create it. So what website are we using, what platform we are using? It is N10. How you can access it? Just go down into the description, you will find a link there which will redirect you to this website. Now what you have to do, you have to just either click on get started or click on sign in. When you will click on sign in, you have to enter your credentials, and when you will be on its home page, which looks like this. So what you have to do, you have to create a new workflow here, and you have to go on three dots and import from file. So I will provide you with all resources in the description. So this was our flow which we were looking at. So what you have to do, I will not go over everything in detail. I will just go over everything in real quick. If you want me to create a full-fledged video of how you can build this flow step by step, just comment down below and I will make a video on it. So what you have to do, you have to add a node, right click or just click on tab and add a Telegram node. When you will, you have to go down and you have to click on message. So whenever a message is going to come, it is going to get activated. And then you have to create a new credential and connect your account. So how you can do that? You just have to go onto your Telegram. As I said, we will be needing an AI Telegram bot, so that we can do it. So you have to go on Telegram, search for bot father. When you will have the bot father. You have to just type it slash and new bot. When you will, it will ask you a couple of questions, and when you will complete it, it will give you an HTTP API token. With that, you have to come back on N10 Telegram node and click on create new credentials, and you have to paste your API token here. When you will, your account and your Telegram bot will be connected to it. Then you have to put a switch which will be either classifying it into a text or it is going to classify it into a Telegram voice file. So this is a voice agent. Mostly we are going to interact it with a voice message, with a voice file, and also you can interact it with a text file. So if that will be a text file or a text message, it is going to come here and it is going to convert it into a JSON text which is understood by N10. And if not, it is going to convert it. If it is going to be a voice file, it is going to convert and transcribe it into text. And to avoid the error, we put here an if statement. If it has a text file, it is going to go on there, and if it does not have, it is still going to go there, because mostly there will be an error which does not let it pass through. Now this is our main AI agent, and which is the life of this AI workflow. Now what you have to do, you have to go on tab advanced AI agent, and when you will, just connect them with OpenAI chat model. Let's delete it. OpenAI chat model, simple memory, this database. Now, what is this database? This. This is a sample database which I made, which you can extend it. You can just create a simple one according to you. This is just a sample. So there is name, serial number, name, and email. So what it is going to do, it is going to use the email of the user after you will specify that who it is has to work with. When you will specify, it is going to contact the database and it is going to fetch out the required details. So what you have to do, you have to add your Google Sheet account. Really simple. Then you have to go get rows. That is the operation we are going to do, and you have to select the document from the list, which is this, and you have to select the sheet of it. Then you will. There are 3 agents which we need to work with. The first is email agent, second is calendar agent, and third is the research agent. So the first is email agent. When you put this node, it is going to execute it by this workflow. Then you have to connect an AI agent node, which you have to connect this OpenAI chat model and 2 models, which is send message and get emails. So this is send email. So you have to normally connect your account with this, and we are sending it, and where we are sending it, it will be decided by AI. So what you have to do, you have to just put here double curly brackets and a $sign from AI. Then you have to do this, then email address, and also you can put a comma and specify it like what it is, which is the email address where we are sending our email to. Then the subject from AI, when you will put this and you put this, the AI will decide the subject and the message by itself. So you have to go on expression, then you have to do it, otherwise it will not work. From add option, you have to turn this off, the append init attribution, otherwise it will be written like this message is sent by n10 by AI. So it will not work whenever you are working with a client. So the next is get emails. So this node, what it is going to do, it is going to get all the information of your recent emails which is sent to a particular emails or sent to you from a particular email. And then there is a set module of a response which is going to get back the response to the main agent and tell it, yeah, it is completed. Next is calendar tool. So this is a little big one. So it has all the calendar functionality which you will need in your daily life. Like this step is the same. What you have to, this is also the same. Now you have to add a node here. You have to add a node here of calendar, like that, and then you have to put either you can create an event, you can get an event, you can check the calendar availability, event update, delete event. You just have to simply connect your account normally with an auth authentication. Then either you can put the description or not. We are dealing with event, not the whole calendar. We are creating it, and we are creating it from this email and from the mail list. Then for the time, what you have to do, not now, this is wrong, you have to do it with the time which will be coming from here. You have to map it here. When you will, it is going to take that time, not the now time, because if it is going to take the now time, then it is going to book or create the event just now, which we don't want. Next is get event. So you are going to get the event, the details of the event, which will be in your Google Calendar. You can check the calendar availability. You can check the event update. If you can do the update in an event, you can delete an event just like that. It is very simple. Then here the research agent, where you can search the Google basically, and also you can get the current weather's update. So this is the same. This one, this is also the same. And then there is this memory, which generally keeps the record of what the chat was being about. And then there is Wikipedia. You just have to drag it here and add a Wikipedia module or Wikipedia node. Then there is Serp AI. It is going to search the web if there is an information which is not available in Wikipedia. You have to connect this account with Serp API account. You can just go on to Serp API website and you can get the credentials there very easily. And then there is get current weather, where you can get the details of what is the current weather of your city or anyone's city. So, and this is going to return the response. So that was the agent. I hope you understood. So if you are thinking what a perfect agent it is, no, it is not. Nothing is perfect. So it also has its own limitations basically. So I have seen quite a lot of things in it, like the time zone errors, and sometimes the agent does not go according to you, so you have to play around with the prompt. If you want it, you can get it through the description. And if you want to build it completely from scratch, if you want to know how to build it completely from scratch, do let me know in the comments. That's it for the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, because more of N10 AI voice agents video is going to coming in the future. And if you are a business owner who is looking for these kind of AI voice systems and AI automation systems for their business as well, do go into the description and book a call with us through our website. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.